says I should have mercy. What's the deal, gang? Y'all see me right back with another banger. But today, y'all can see it's only 10 in the morning, man, but there was a car meet that our group was about to go to. But one thing about us, bruh, everybody suck at getting up early in the morning, bruh. The car meet was at 11. We would have to leave here at like 9:30 or 10. That should just show y'all we probably not gonna go. We probably not gonna make it because we already late. Half of the group woke up late, so what we finna do is finna go to the wash for that reason, because yesterday we was all driving, so all of our cars really dirty. So I'm gonna put the camera back out as soon as I get to the wash, because I know a lot of people from our group is about to be there, and a lot of people wanted to meet up today after they seen how deep it was yesterday. So we just gonna see what today's bring, man. Y'all see with this nice weather, people don't know how to act, man. Everybody getting happy, everybody acting crazy. It's probably how the channel gonna be for a while, man, with this nice weather. But I'm gonna stop at this gas station and I'm headed straight to the wash, y'all. So my fault, y'all. Been meant to turn my camera on because we all was out here, but I was really talking to everybody about last night and looking at everybody's car. You see this the same one of the 392s from last night. My boy Eldon Beamer right here. One of the only Beamers I ever seen on diesel gas, bro. I'm gonna have to show it to y'all so y'all can hear it as soon as we done washing. But there's more cars over there. I don't know if y'all can see. You can see a little bit of my boy Josh Camaro. And then I got my boy J Money and Rick over there, and a few more people on the way. My boy Dom is on the way. Another Hellcat, I think, said he wanted to come. And a Camaro that one of my mans had in our group that he sold before to somebody 2 hours away, they actually got it, and they trying to come here to meet up with us today. So if he could pull up, I'm gonna get it on camera for y'all. But until then, man, we in the wash right now, trying to clean her off from yesterday. So I'm gonna cut the camera back on as soon as I probably dry her off, you know, just because I don't want to waste my battery on my camera, you know.
2,000 years later.
Yeah, so after an hour, I just finally wiped her down and cleaned the tires off me. Y'all know these rims take so long to fucking clean. But y'all see we got the gang out here. More people still pulling up, man. There's a Camaro that's pulling up that's Cam that I really want to see, so let's see how this goes. A couple people left and went to the store. Y'all see us out here, man. We got a few cars. Like I said, more coming. So I'm gonna cut the camera back on, the rest of us get here, and we probably gonna go on a little cruise or something. I'm gonna just keep y'all updated, man. I think his louder, bro. Oh no. Alright, we could just do it at the same time, have a ref battle, bro. You're gonna have to get it on, you're gonna have to get it for you too, man.
I got you, bro. Is it still recording? This might be. Pull back here. Yo, hold on. Oh, he running 93. I don't know, bro. I think Ted's louder, bro.
Yeah, I said that. Like when
I think your shit just like it's just deeper.
When I hear his, I don't know, it feels louder.
I said it before I even started.
What you think mine
Yours
is?
is deeper, bro. You got like a deeper tone.
They trying to say mine is deeper, y'all. I don't think it's deeper.
It's that ZL1.
Your shit, I don't know, man. Y'all tell me what y'all think. Wait till I put headers on here, though. And I'm doing it. I'm just trying to save up. But y'all tell us which one louder, man. Is the Mustang louder or the ZL1 louder? Y'all let me know, man. But I'm gonna cut the camera back on when more of us get here. Y'all see us all out here just chilling, man. Enjoying this nice day. These things out here the other day. You cold? This boy tripping.
Who's that? Cause that bitch nasty.
That's my man's Keenan. That bitch nasty. Funny as hell. Jacob Owens. Yeah, nah, I don't know. I don't remember seeing it.
Yeah, I'ma hurt his feelings.
What's going on, gang? Yeah, pull around. Where's the park right there? He got the old light I had. That bitch chopping. That bitch is chopping. I miss my SS every day. Fact. This bitch chopping. Corsa too. This bitch sound nasty. Boy just made it to the cut. Go subscribe to my boy, man. Y'all see he just drove 2 hours away to come link up with us, man. Definitely worth it. Go follow him on the gram too, man. Rugs go crazy, man. We actually been talking for a minute, way before he got this too. This bitch nice. You see, he got the carbon fiber right here. What's funny is, my man's Jacob used to own this exact same car. I can't wait for him to watch this video just so he can see it. But he owned this same car and he sold it. Yeah, bro. It was like that when I think Jacob had it.
I always thought it was matte black, cause I only see this shit.
No, I think he did have matte black on it, bro. He did. It is, bro, for sure. But yeah, so what happened was, this used to be my man's, hell yeah, go subscribe. Man, look, the real Tez, 3 underscores, go subscribe, man. Go subscribe to both of my boys too, TJ_Kurt, Rugs go crazy, like I said. But yeah, so this used to be my man's Jacob car, man. Dude stayed 2 hours away from us, so he sold this car to somebody that stayed 2 hours away, and he just came and brought it over here, so it's just crazy how small the world is, man. Never thought I'd see it again. But yeah, I'm gonna cut the camera back on when more people get here, y'all. Sean just pulled up. Fat, he got the ZR1 rims on here.
Hey, you see the pull behind the mirror?
Bro, this blue so hard, bro. Chevy did something crazy with that blue.
This is the first time I've seen it back to Drew.
For real? Well, we only got one now. Somebody else has it. Bet. Man, I'm telling you, bro. Dang. I'm telling you, we weren't even planning on meat. We were supposed to go. Thanks. Nasty for real. See the Chevys out here. We got 3 Chevys. What's up? That's wide, y'all. I also had this in a video before, man, so if y'all didn't watch that, go watch that. I think it was the video I did my launch control on.
How you doing? Good, long time. Nasty. Oh, yeah. That bitch was nasty as fuck.
And he don't even like the rap. You talking about changing the rap. You got it, nigga, less than a month ago?
I got it in December.
He tripping. I told him, keep this, bro. This rap nasty, bro.
I've never seen this. You ain't gonna see this anywhere else.
Nah, bro, at all. You see us out here, man. We got a lot of cars. Still, people pulling up, man. Dom, what is you doing, bro? You taking all day to bring the cat out here, bro. Look at all of these cars. My boy, the only one with a dirty car.
Man, we gotta be here for the bridge,
Like that chopper.
Man, bro.
He So we're gonna be here for a drill. We just put over here at this little mall to come get some wiggly ends. It's a chicken spot we always go to, but I decided to use my phone because my phone just got better quality. And plus the wind be tearing my vlogging camera up, but I'm gonna wrap this video up right here, man, just because we all out here chilling. Show y'all the rest of the cars, man. Decent little meetup today. See, we got the charger over there. So, yeah, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, let me know what y'all think. I'm about to wrap this video up right here, man. I'm out.